Hello, myself Landi, and today's topic is Helpless without electricity. And today's date is 25th June 2024. The world without electricity today is unimaginable. We depend on electricity for almost everything in our daily life. Lights in our homes and cities first come to mind, but the power of electricity is so widespread that probably there isn't any field of humanity where it doesn't play one of the main roles. Yet we humans live without its applications and widespread use for 99% of our times on this planet. Electricity wasn't invented for it was present from the beginning of times, but did not know how to harvest it for our uses. People first started noticing something electric when they became aware of shocks from electric fish. In ancient Egypt, they are referring to these fish as a thunder of the Nile. At that time, as far as we know, they didn't have the slightest idea what electricity. Also reported about those electric fish. Some ancient writers witnesses about numbing effect of electricity shocks caused by catfish. However, is very important. They knew that those shocks could travel along conducting objects. Then, around the ancient Mediterranean, people knew that certain objects, such as rods of amber, could be rubber for example, with cats for the attract light objects such as feathers. Ancient people around 500 BCE also knew something about static electricity, but they did not point now what to do with that. Researchers and archaeologists also discovered different pots with the coppers inside, and they believed that those were used as batteries in ancient Roman sites. Perhaps the lightning, but we don't really know. Fast forward many years ahead, we discovered and applied electricity, but there are still many micro conception about the who really discovered it. Some give credit to the Benjamin Franklin for the discovery of electricity. However, his experiments only help establish the connection between the lightning and electricity, and nothing more. Some 50 years after Benjamin Franklin's experiment, Italian physicist Alessandro Walt discovered that the particular chemical reaction could produce electricity, and based on that in 1800 he constructed an early electricity battery that produced a stable electricity current. Thus, he could be credible as the first person to credit the steady flow of electrical charge. Additional, Volt created the first transmission of electricity by linking positively charged and the negatively charged connectors and driving an electricity charge through the electricity. Then we have Michael Faraday, as he created electricity dynamo in 1931. This basically solved the problems of the generating electricity in the constant and practical way. This invention consequently opened the door to Thomas Edison for his invention of the light bulb in 1878. He wasn't the only one British scientist Josephson invented the same around those years. It's all about the electricity. Thank you.